My name is Myrene Agustin Magabo. I have a doctorate degree in communication, a certified advanced facilitator, and a faculty at the University of Phoenix since 2008. Just like you, I have been an online learner, an eternal learner, and I understand how it is to be in your shoes. I take care of my family while striving to do scholarly works, attend to some projects and research activities, and I really enjoy doing some service to the global community at the same time. Aside from being a faculty at the University of Phoenix, I engage in global projects or activities, especially research. I have been a member of the board of directors of the American Communication Association since 2016. I have been an associate director of the Global Listening Center, an active member of the International Communication Association. I was previously elected to the board and served concurrently as co-chair of the Student and Early Career Scholars Advisory Committee. I also served as secretary of the International Communication Association for its instructional and developmental communication for 2 years. That was sometime 2019 to 2021. I also taught at Penn State University since 2008 to 2015. I really enjoyed teaching communication courses at PSU. But how did I get there to where I am now? For the most part, I was a working student studying on scholarships, free tuition, free miscellaneous fees. However, I had to work because I need some money for my daily allowance, fare to go to school, some cash to buy snacks if I get hungry while in school, and some money to buy books. I could go on and on with my life story, but I believe the gist of my career journey could inspire you a bit. Feel free to message me if there's anything you want to know more about me. You can email me at email.phoenix.edu, or you can find me in Facebook or LinkedIn. Just type in Myrene Magabo.